Hi everyone, welcome back to For Wheels Empire. Today, we're tackling a common trouble code, P0523. This code indicates engine all pressure sensor switch circuit high. If you're seeing this code, don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to diagnose and fix it. Let's get started. P0523 code if it detects an unusually high all pressure reading from the engine all pressure sensor or switch. This can be caused by a defective sensor, wiring issues, mechanical faults in the all pump, or restricted all passages. Check engine light, all pressure warning light, all pressure gauge, engine noise, engine performance, vehicle stuck in limp mode, engine won't start. Before we dive in, here's what you'll need: OBD to scanner, socket wrench set, replacement all pressure sensor, a clean all filter if replacing, engine all if needed, clean rags. Gather these tools, and let's get started. Locate the all drain plug on your vehicle, and place an all collection pan underneath it. Use a socket ratchet to remove the plug from the all pan on your vehicle. Once the plug is removed, the all should start flowing out into your collection pan. Once all the all is drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it back on. The all filter is usually located beside the all pan, or under the hood of your vehicle, near the engine. Place the collection pan under the filter. There would be all in the filter itself. That could be hot, so it is important that the all goes into the collection pan. Spread a bit of fresh all evenly on the new filter's gasket. Then install the new all filter. Tighten the filter in additional 3/4 of a turn. Be sure not to over tighten. To fill the vehicle with fresh all, you should first locate your all fill cap at the top of the engine. Clean the cap before removing it. Take the cap off and place the funnel into the opening. Add the amount of all specified in your owner's manual, and then replace the cap. After the all change, start the engine and let it run for a minute to bring your all pressure up, and recheck your all level. To check all levels, pull the dipstick out and clean it off. Replace the dipstick and pull it out again. The all should be near the top dot or fill line. If it is close to the lower dot, you'll need to add more all. If your all levels are good, replace the dipstick and shut the hood. Place the used all from your collection pan into an airtight container. With a screw-on cap, make sure the all is cool before transferring to the container. Used motor all can be recycled at most auto stores or at recycling centers. The all pressure sensor is most often mounted in the engine block or the cylinder heads. Carefully remove the all pressure sensor from your vehicle. Visually check the all pressure sensor's electrical connections and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, replace the all pressure sensor. Once the new sensor is installed, use your OBD to scanner to clear the P0523 code. Start the engine and check for leaks around the sensor. Take the car for a short test drive to ensure everything is working properly. And that's it. You've successfully diagnosed and fixed the P0523 error code. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your car running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to For Wheels Empire, and hit the bell icon for more car repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.